Hello YouTube friends, it's Lee here. Welcome to Junk Journal January for 2025. This is an open challenge hosted by Meg from Meg Journals. There's a link to Meg's channel in my video description box. If you want to check out the people that are actually doing videos for Meg, there's links to them all on her video page. Follow the link on my video description box and you'll be able to find that information. This is the journal I'm using. So it's a tab bound journal, very first one that I've ever done, so it's a little bit rough but it's pretty good for what I want, and I'll be filling a page every day using the prompts provided by Meg. So we're up to day 1 and the prompt is cover. So what I'm going to do with these videos is I'm going to try and keep them to less than 15 minutes at the most, and I'm just going to create from what I've got on my desk. So I have collected some papers. So if you're going to do this, I suggest that you gather up some papers and scraps and things, get them ready to go. I'm going to just keep this pile on my desk. I've got some other things, bits and pieces left over from Defemerember, so I'll probably use a few of them, and really it's going to be collage based and it's going to be quick, and there won't be too much talking in these videos. Okay, so I'm going to get on with the first one, which is cover. So that's day one. So a few scraps collaged onto the page. That's a piece of baking paper that I've used under something that I've been using as a mop-up sheet. This is a tag out of a soap pad or the laundry detergent. I use the little capsules that you throw into the washing machine, and each box has got one or two of these in them. And I thought I'd use one of them. So it's potential. This has a page tag. I could probably hang something on there. So that is number one. I'm going to tick that off if I can find my list. There we go. So, first one done. And the next one is envelope. See you for that one. Hugs and cheers from Australia. Happy creating. Hooroo.